Hi guys, I am Priyanjana Gupta. I am a PhD scholar at the moment. I am working under my professor at the Jadavpur University, and currently with the lockdown we all are at home and we are working from home, and I am also continuing whatever work that I do from my home. I am 28 years old and I have two ailing parents, both of whom suffer from Alzheimer's, for which I have to look after my home the whole day. Then I have a little dog who needs my attention, and after all the work that I do, I can finally take out some time to complete my research. As of my research, it's completely a new topic that is being researched on India, as per my supervisor tells me, and which is actually true because I am a history student. I have done my graduation and my post graduation on the topic of history, but my MPhil has been on military history because I wasn't very interested in the mainstream studying of history about the years and the political alliances that happened and everything. So I had my genre of interest in the defense studies. I found it very interesting about studying about battles and wars and the ways in which they were fought, fantasizing about Alexander, Napoleon, Hitler, whatever made them a military genius and everything. So finally, when I zeroed down onto my topic, I came to know that there has not been any single work done on the Second World War from the Indian research side, and no Indian scholar has yet touched upon the topic. So when I selected the topic, I had to narrow it down because the entire Second World War is a huge thing to cover in one thesis. So I narrowed it down to the North African campaign, which was based on the war that was fought in North Africa, which we call the Desert War, and the only war that was fought on the deserts through and through against the German army, who was being represented by Erwin Rommel, who is also known as the Desert Fox, and we had the British Indian Army, which was participating on this side. So, what I'm working on is that what were the technical and the tactical and the innovative methods which helped the British Indian Army win against such a brilliant army like Hitler's. So, what I'm working is on right now is I am studying the various sources that tell me that how did the Indians day by day plan to overtake and overcome the accumulative strength of the German army. As of now, since all our records are based in Delhi, which the British have finally left behind, they are with the Defense Ministry, and since it's not 100 years of the Second World War, they haven't released it yet. So I have to go there with a special permission, access the records, and then finally I come to know about it. Hopefully, in another 2 years' time, I'll be able to do justice to the thesis, and if well enough, I'll publish it into a book which will, for the first time, talk about the marvels of the British Indian Army that made them successful and win against Hitler's army in the Second World War, a path breaking work which I intend to do. Thank you so much.